Hey guys, and today I'm gonna be doing a video. I just got this squishy. Super awesome. It's a big cupcake. It's really hard for you guys to see. There it is. And then on the other side, wow, it's pink. But it doesn't like fade that much. Well, I guess they tried. Not really that much fading into each other though. So let's just get into it. So I'm gonna start opening it here, and then there we go. Wow. You guys look, I really want some time. Okay, so I need to pause this real quick because it's taking a really long time. I'm getting like Okay, guys, I got some scissors. Let's do this. This is so soft. I'm not letting air comes out of this, man. I'm satisfying though. Wait, listen. Do you hear the air coming out? Yeah, that's really weird. I need a little squish a little heart. Squishy, squishy, squishy. I am squishing you. It's kind of like hard to squish, but it's very soft. It could just be like something that I just rub, and whenever I need something to squish, and this is all I have. It's really hard. It kind of hurts my fingers. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. And yeah, non-fading colors except for down here. But yeah. Well, bye, guys. Whoa! Wait, I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bye, guys. Squishy cupcake.